For more than 25 years, Somalia's power-sharing system, known as 4.5, has institutionalized exclusion, a system that divides the nation along clan lines, granting full political representation to dominant groups while relegating historic communities like the Banadiri to the category of half a voice, half a right, half a place in their own country. And the result? No government jobs, no real political representation, no ministerial positions, and today, not even symbolic inclusion in Eid prayers. Cut to a historic mosque standing empty, voiceover. Ask yourself, why don't Somali officials pray in Banadiri mosques on Eid? Is it just a coincidence or a calculated message of exclusion? Call to the world. This is not just marginalization, it's slow, silent erasure. To the international community, human rights defenders, and democratic donors supporting Somalia, your silence is complicity, your aid is funding exclusion. If you believe in justice, demand full recognition of Somalia's marginalized communities, not only in politics, but at the very heart of public life. With you, Mohammed Haji Amin, this is the voice of those pushed to the margins, even in the house of God.